You want to create content for social media but don't know what to do, how to do, what to write, how to write. Then this video is just for you. Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the second episode of Digital Talks, and today we are going to talk about how to write for social media. So most of the time what happens when we write particularly on social media, we do few mistakes and that results into less engagement, less likes, comments on our social media posts. So there are few things that we have to keep in mind while we write for particularly social media. First thing, head-turning headlines. Crisp, beautiful. There are some posts you must have observed which starts with, do you know the secret of this, or 5 ways to do this, 4 things to keep in mind, kind of that. It creates that kind of excitement in readers' mind and they just click on that read more and they read the whole caption, and then you talk about what you want to say. So you have to write exactly that kind of captions which creates a hook on which the reader will come. It will get attracted to your caption and then they will read the rest of the caption and they'll know the whole content, what you want to write or what you want to tell them. So first, beautifully crafted head-turning headlines. Second, your content should be short and crisp. Nobody wants to write the long Insta captions and posts. It can be long, but it cannot like an essay. Like nobody is there to spend that kind of time on your social media posts, right? So it should be short and crisp. So even if you want to write in detail, try to make sure that you do not write a huge bunch of content and then people will get bored. Nobody wants to read bore content anyways nowadays. So assume that people are going to spend only 30 seconds on your one post. So in that 30 seconds you have to create an impression that you are giving them valuable content. To do that, you have to keep in mind that your content should be short and crisp. Third and very important rule is talk to your friend rule. So many times what we do, that we write in very formal or very official manner that this is to state that, or it has said that, or something like that. But while writing for social media, you have to really make sure that you're writing as if you're talking to your friend or people whom you know, because people are not there to read boring captions. They can read these kind of captions or content for that matter on various kinds of blogs or on various kinds of books, but they are here to know the more human side of yourself and to show that, or while putting out the valuable content, you have to make sure that if you want that content to reach to other people, you have to talk to them in their language. So that's why it should be friendly language, and I'm sure that it will help you. Fourth is write for scanners. On social media, you're not writing for people who want to read something in depth or something they want to go deeper into, or who are there to spend like hours and hours on your social media. No, nobody is going to do that. As I said, assume that people are spending only 30 seconds on your one post. So if they are spending 30 seconds on your one post, you have to make sure that you write in a manner that it should be for scanners, that even if they scan your content, they get to know the gist of it, and if they know the gist of it, they get to know what kind of content you're creating, right? So you have to write for scanners. And fifth, very important topic, use simple language. Guys, there are many people who use flowery words, who use very high quality English or high quality Hindi, or for that matter any language. You have to make sure that you are writing for masses. There are many people who are going to read your content. So when you write that kind of content, you have to keep in mind that every person may or may not have that kind of knowledge of that language. You have to write really simple. There should not be flowery words. There should not be high quality phrases that people won't understand. Make sure that your writings are simple, sweet, crisp, and it should be like that you're talking to each other. So that's why use simple words, no extra words, no flowery words allowed. So these were the 5 things that you have to keep in mind while creating content for social media, and I'm sure if you keep these 5 things in mind, your content will be top notch and there will be many people who want to follow you and consume your content. We'll meet in next video. Till then, bye.